Welcome to Yoga Flow on the Go, presented by Autoscope. I'm Sonia Azad. All right, we're back to that stress triangle again. Head, neck, and shoulders can get super tight while we're driving. So, a little shoulder relief, we're taking some shoulder rolls. This one's really simple. Be sure to do it while you're parked, okay? Not while you're driving. We're gonna start by taking the shoulders forward and then up by the ears. Take them all the way back and then press them down and away from the ears. So you're just making a big circle with the shoulders. So you take them forward, up by the ears, all the way back, and then pressing them down. So we're taking a little protraction and retraction, and you can take the rolls backwards, and if you want forwards, it's as simple as that. Thanks again for joining us here at Yoga Flow on the Go, presented by Autoscope. I'm Sonia Azad. Until next time.